Founded in 2011, Haley Strategic Partners, or HSP, is known for product lines that trace their way back to Travis Haley's time as an active duty force recon Marine. While most famous for their chest rigs and flat packs, they waded into the crowded plate carrier waters a few years ago with the HSP Thorax. The Thorax is a plate carrier for which we have received a significant number of requests for review, and it is the subject of today's Insights technical overview video. The big question our audience has told us they want answered is, how does the HSP Thorax stack up to the other players in this very competitive and crowded play? Stay tuned to this episode of Qore Performance Insights to find out. In the interest of full transparency, before we get started, we need to briefly discuss the relationship between Qore Performance and Haley Strategic Partners. Unlike our Blue Force Gear Plate 6 MOLLE Minus Insights episode, where we had an existing B2B relationship with the manufacturer of the subject plate carrier and multiple collaborative efforts in our collective past, our relationship with HSP is far less formal and has never involved the exchange of funds. In other words, they do not buy anything from us, and we do not buy anything from them. Our business-to-business relationship with Haley Strategic Partners dates back several years, but largely consists of marketing content sharing. No formal contracts exist between our two companies. Despite our informal social media relationship, our review will still be completely unbiased and objective thanks to its purely empirical format. Haley Strategic Partners was not involved in this review. We purchased the Thorax on the open market, as we do with almost all of the plate carriers in our series. Thermoregulation is how we are building a superhuman future. It is the next frontier in human performance enhancement and is foundational to everything we do here at Qore Performance. In fact, this series started as a way for us to answer customer questions about how to integrate our Ice Age ecosystem of performance-enhancing and environmental inoculation technologies with equipment from other manufacturers. This is still the primary intent behind these videos. So, let's see how our Ice Age ecosystem integrates with the HSP Thorax. ICEPLATE and ICEVENTS augmentation supercharges any non-Qore Performance plate carrier, providing them with critical thermoregulation capabilities that are otherwise missing from every carrier on the market today except our ICEPLATE EXO. According to the HSP website, the Integral Thorax Thermofoam Pad provides comfort and additional ventilation. We'll get to thermal transmittance later in the video, but the HSP Thorax makes a great host platform for multiple members of our Ice Age ecosystem: IMS, IMS Pro, IMS Versa, Catamaran, ICEVENTS Classic, and ICEVENTS Aero. The HSP Thorax does not have loop Velcro fields or MOLLE on the inside of the plate bags. This means the Thorax limits our IMS and IMS Pro to external hard cell hydration configurations on the rear plate bag only. However, Thorax is an ideal platform for IMS Versa and Catamaran. IMS Versa provides internal mounting for our IcePlate curve for conductive thermoregulation plus hydration to the inside of the Thorax. Catamaran uses largely the same mounting system for our ICEVENTS Classic plate carrier ventilation pontoons to add convective thermoregulation capability to the outside of the Thorax plate bags. Heavy loads in the Thorax are made lighter thanks to easy installation of our ICEVENTS Aero minimalist plate carrier shoulder pads and ICEVENTS Classic heavy loadout plate carrier shoulder pads. Both ICEVENTS Classic and ICEVENTS Aero provide convective thermoregulation for your shoulders while distributing loads, a capability unique to our ICEVENTS technology. For lighter loads with greater mobility, go with ICEVENTS Aero. For heavier loads worn over extended periods of time, go with ICEVENTS Classic. Weight matters. matters. Few things impact human performance more than weight. Ounces equal pounds and pounds equal pain. We've all heard it, we all know it. The HSP website does list the weight for the Thorax plate bags in medium at 16 ounces. For consistency, we ordered the HSP Thorax with the chicken strap entry system. We try to order the lightest configuration available for purchase, meaning we could actually buy it because it was in stock somewhere. For all of the plate carriers in our Inside series, to keep the comparisons as scientifically accurate as possible. In our testing, the HSP Thorax, as configured, tipped the scales at 20.80 ounces, or 1.3 pounds. Breaking the weight down further, the plate bags weighed 15 ounces and the chicken strap weighed 5.8 ounces. Here's how the HSP Thorax compares to the other plate carriers we've tested previously. For context, 16 ounces is the approximate weight of a loaded 5.56 magazine. In other words, for every 16 additional ounces of dry or wet weight in your plate carrier, you are potentially gaining or sacrificing 30 rounds of 5.56 NATO ammunition, depending on if you have a lighter or heavier plate carrier. To find out how the weight of the HSP Thorax compares to carriers like BFG Plate 6 MOLLE-, ICEPLATE EXO, T-Rex Arms AC1, DefMag MEP-C, and others when loaded up and configured, click on the link in the show notes below to check out our plate carrier calculator. The data is super interesting as it lets you set up your PC with various accessories, and then it gives you the final weight of your custom PC build. Wet weight matters. Depending on your specific mission or application, it could matter more than dry weight. Whether saltwater or sweat, the ability of a plate carrier to repel shed water weight and to do so quickly has a significant impact on human operator performance. The wet weight of the Thorax came in at 45.40 ounces. This means the HSP Thorax retained 24.60 ounces of water, or roughly the same weight as 24 rounds of 5.56 ammunition. If you've watched any of our earlier videos in this series, you know that our experimental design is simple. It is the same for all PCs we test in this series. Submerge the carrier in water for 60 minutes, remove and hang dry for 60 seconds, weigh the carrier. We conduct all of these tests inside our office to make sure external variables like sunlight, wind, etc. are not present. Our scale is always 0 to account for the weight of the bin. YouTube is telling us that just 8% of you who watch our videos are subscribed to the channel. While this is up from 7.8% when we filmed the BFG Plate 6 MOLLE- episode, we know we can all do better with your help. Be a friend of freedom and smash those subscribe, like, and notification buttons. This really helps us to bring you more high-quality testing and educational videos like this one. The materials used to build the Thorax by Haley Strategic Partners are commonly available in today's market. Uses 500D nylon, 4-way stretch nylon elastane, 500D/1000D nylon laminate, thermoformed 4-way stretch nylon elastane / closed cell foam laminate, spacer mesh, Velcro brand hook and loop, Velcro brand one wrap, and mil-spec nylon webbing. HSP notes that they use traditional bar-tacked MOLLE for the Thorax. HSP does not have any proprietary materials on the Thorax. What exactly is thermal transmittance, and why should any of us care? What does it have to do with plate carriers? Thermal transmittance is the transfer of heat through matter. In our case, the matter is the body-facing section of a plate carrier plate bag. If a wall or a plate bag is well insulated, it will have low thermal transmittance. This is ideal for a home, car, or cold weather jacket, as they are designed to protect you from the elements. If that same wall or plate bag is poorly insulated, it will have high thermal transmittance. This is ideal for active or athletic apparel. Think running clothes, PT gear, combat uniforms, or anything you wear when under heavy athletic exertion where your body needs to dump excess heat generated from effort. Since kit is already insulating by nature, you want to find gear, especially plate carriers and body armor, that have the highest possible thermal transmittance. In other words, you want to find plate carriers and body armor that have the minimum amount of insulation. This will allow your body's natural thermoregulation mechanisms to work as efficiently as possible and for you to control your body temperature independent of your kit. Preserving this natural function decreases the possibility of you becoming a heat casualty, keeping you in the fight and increasing survivability for you and your team. Some plate carriers, like our ICEPLATE EXO, can even augment your body's natural thermoregulation mechanisms, boosting your performance in the process. Carriers without this capability can be augmented with members of our Ice Age ecosystem, like IMS Pro, IMS Versa, ICEVENTS, and Catamaran. If you'd like to learn the basic methods of heat transfer and how they apply to your gear, check out the awesome infographic we put together in our Insights blog article titled The Methods of Heat Transfer, linked in our show notes below. For all of us super nerds out there who want to know the experimental design of our thermal transmittance testing, here it is. FLIR camera surface reading of the body-facing side of the plate bags at room temperature. Place a single ICEPLATE curve fresh out of the freezer into the same plate bag. Close plate bag. Place a Tenkate Level 3 hard armor plate on top of the plate bag for 30 seconds to simulate the effect of putting on the plate carrier. Use short exposure time to test efficiency, not capacity. Remove the Tenkate Level 3 hard armor plate from the surface of the subject plate bag. Take new FLIR surface temperature reading. What do these numbers mean? The smaller the spread between the initial or baseline surface temperature and the surface reading at room temperature, the lower the thermal transmittance of that plate bag. Plate carriers with these readings will trap and retain more heat, making you hotter. The larger the spread between the initial or baseline surface temperature and the surface reading at room temperature, the higher the thermal transmittance of that plate carrier. Plate bags with these larger spreads are better at removing heat to let your body's thermoregulation mechanisms work as normal as possible. The HSP Thorax has a baseline surface temperature of 70 degrees Fahrenheit and an ice plate inside surface temperature of 52 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a thermal shift of 18 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how the HSP Thorax compares to other plate carriers we've tested. The HSP Thorax packs quite a few unique features that we haven't seen on any other plate carrier we've reviewed as part of the Insight series. A thermoformed foam logo pad on both the front and rear plate bags, extensive accessory ecosystem, amp foam chin pad, flat pack and flat pack plus piggyback compatibility. The attachment mechanisms on the HSP Thorax are simple. Velcro, MOLLE, and Swift Clip. The HSP Thorax pretty much takes everything on the market today. When it comes to variety, the HSP Thorax is available in Coyote Brown, Black, Multicam Black, Ranger Green, and Gray. Sizes available are medium and large. The shoulders and cummerbund allow for a wide range of adjustability. As you can see here, the HSP Thorax has a 17-inch length of Velcro on the shoulders and 10 inches of adjustability in the cummerbund. As far as sizes, the Thorax is available in medium and large and is cut for ESAPI armor plate geometries. As with all things Haley Strategic Partners, the Thorax is made in America from American materials. The Thorax by Haley Strategic Partners, as configured for this video, sells for $270 for the plate bags and $99 for the chicken straps, for a total of $369 on the HSP website as of November 2023. That's going to do it for us and our Haley Strategic Partners Thorax Technical Plate Carrier Overview. Now that you know all about the Thorax and how it stacks up to the competition, we want to know what you guys think. Does the Thorax live up to the legendary HSP name? Why or why not? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed the video and that it was helpful. If you're looking to see the latest in all aspect thermoregulation, don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Qore Performance and subscribe to our Launchpad email list to join us in building a superhuman future. Until next time, stay frosty.